How to use your CM8054 coffee machine. The accessories you will receive include 1 spoon with tamper, 1 capsule holder, 1 cup and 2 cup filters, 1 cleaning pin, and 2 funnels. Before using this machine, please remember to remove the plug under the water tank. Otherwise, it may cause leaking. Making coffee with coffee powder. Fill the tank with drinking water and reinstall it. Do not exceed the max mark. Plug it and turn the machine on. Then icons on the screen will flash. After they're all steady on, the preheating is done. Now it's available to brew coffee now. Please choose the filter according to your needs and install it on the funnel for ground coffee. Install it on the coffee machine without any grounding coffee to preheat your funnel and cups. Turn the side knob to coffee icon and press the coffee button to let it brew. Prepare a milk cup and turn the side knob to the steam position to clean the steam wand.